We're looking for the fish pond. It will probably not be hard to find. This is the Paz Plaza. I have never been here. There's people down there. I don't know what they're working on. Building something. Fun, fun. Okay, they've got a band shell. Looks like tennis courts. I'll have to go look into that. And all the games involve throwing somebody's shoes. Very large field. They say the koi pond is open, but it sure looks to be fenced off. That's the new section. And it does appear to be fenced off still. And maybe there's another entrance, because they said it is open to the public. Wish me luck. Yes, they are in fact tennis courts. Who knew? This isn't a bad plaza. Really large. Big open fields. And the backside of a koi pond. They said online it was open to the public, but the signage kind of makes you think perhaps not. But there's a lot of people inside, so I came in anyway. They did, so did I. We have a waterfall, some little pavilions, and I'm gonna go look for some fishies. This is supposed to be a koi pond.
A nice picture provided by the mayor of the waterfall, and a picture not provided by the mayor of the kids. Oh well.
Of course, immediately upon opening, kids jumped in and started swimming. I think they're trying to discourage that because they want the fishies to be happy. But like the fountain in Molo, kids swimming in this should not be a surprise to anyone. It doesn't look very deep. I saw they stocked it with fish, but I don't actually see any fish at the moment. They're probably here though. But this is neat. What is this? It's like you're gonna step down to this platform for something? There's a fish. Huh. Yeah. Definitely got potential. Yeah, there are fish. They are small. You may not see them in the video because they are small. They're kind of half grayish black and the other half is orange. Well, there's a larger one. Yeah. Water's been going on and off. I think they are still working on it.
This is a very nice looking plaza. I really like this koi pond. It was, I think the map showed it to be a lake, but I've never been here before, so I don't know what it used to look like. Got some big pavilions. These are nice. I'm not sure what they're going to be used for. They got a lot of possibilities, but it's very nicely done. Everything looks like it's well built. It's just very nice. And unfortunately, you can see these little plants floating around. They are just floating on top of the water, and kids are already fishing them out to steal them, and the parents just laugh and allow it. That's going to be a problem. But I found the fishies. They're all kind of staying together in a group. I'm sure they will start breeding soon, and hopefully there'll be a way of feeding the fish like we had in Bacolod. They have people selling fish food you can throw out and feed the fish. It's a lot of fun. The tourists love it. They're still in the process. It's officially a soft opening, they call it. So still fenced off, but you can get inside. And they are still working on it. It's going to be really nice when they're finished. Afterwards, I went to SM City to try a new Greek restaurant.
Oh, this is going to be a problem. They have only 3 tables. I am not sure how we're going to sit down. Oh no!
The menu looks pretty good. I will have to try a few things before I make a decision. I was very sad to be disappointed in the gyro. Nice looking kitchen, good equipment. That is the only way to cook meat. I love the spits back there. Those are awesome. We can make a good Mexican street tacos with those.
I hope you like oil. Man, I hope that's olive oil. It came with a white sauce. It's kind of a weird, like a runny sour cream, and like a creamy Italian. I think that goes with the fries because they're called hot fries, and they are not hot. That has some spice in it. I assume that goes with the gyro, but I can't be sure because it was all just thrown in one bag.
Yeah, I'll try other things before I decide, but this was very, very greasy, extremely bland, like stale fries from yesterday. I don't know, the initial feelings were not so good, but the fish pond was cool. Enjoy your day in paradise.